Welcome back to Stoy Crypto. So MEXC announced a RUNECOIN spot listing. It kind of came out of nowhere. So in this video, I want to go out to MEXC, see if we can find it, maybe buy some. Nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. MEXC will list RSIC GENESIS RUNE RUNECOIN as of August 15th, which is today. And if we go to Magic Eden, take a look at the chart, you can see it's been on a tear really the last few days, ever since they started posting more content on their X account. 88 buys currently, over 81,000 on-chain holders, and it's just under 100 million market cap. RUNECOIN has one of the strongest communities in the Bitcoin Runes ecosystem, so it makes sense for MEXC to add a spot listing, especially after they just added billion-dollar cat and dog. So if you're not familiar with MEXC, nice thing about it, there's zero spot fees, so you can trade here with no fees. They have a ton of coins available, so if you don't have an account, I would encourage you to at least look into it. I'll leave my link in the video description below. It helps support the channel. So one more thing I'll quickly point out before we go find RUNECOIN on MEXC is that the trading pair is RUNECOIN and USDT Tether, right? So that's what you would have to fund your MEXC account with. So in MEXC, I clicked on spot, which will take you to spot trading, obviously. And now we're going to go ahead and search for RUNECOIN. So let's type in RUNECOIN USDT pair. Let's go ahead and click on that. And you're going to get this pop-up that says it's in the assessment zone. Accept and continue. They're going to do that for all new tokens that they list. All right, so you can see that it is in fact live, and right now I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, right? So it just went live. If I hover over this, it went live today, which is August 15th. It's very easy to use MEXC if you've not used it. Again, you want to load it up with some USDT. You can see right now, if I go to my open positions, I do have a little bit of USDT in here, so we'll go ahead and try to buy that. I also have dog. So they have other runes, dog go to the moon, and they have billion-dollar cat and Lobo the wolf pup are the three others that I'm aware of. There might be more, but this is a great sign in general to see that MEXC, which is a very popular centralized trading platform, is continuing to list more Bitcoin runes. You can see right here, RSIC GENESIS RUNE. Let's go through the process of buying this to show you how easy it is. A couple different ways you can do it. Obviously, you can set a limit order and then set your price, right? And if it hits your price, your order will execute, and then say what amount you want to buy. Just a simple slider. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and market buy it. So that's just going to buy it at whatever price is when I push the button. So in this case, we're going to say how much of it do I want to buy. We'll just say I'll use all of my USDT that I have in the account right now, and then I'll say buy RUNECOIN. Ordered successfully. You can see the message right here. Usually goes through right away when you do a market order. So if I scroll down, take a look here, this should change in a second to RUNECOIN. Sometimes it just takes a second to refresh. And you can see I now have this much RUNECOIN. So is that simple to buy it on MEXC? I think that this is great for not only RUNECOIN, but for the entire Bitcoin Runes ecosystem. Continues to gain traction. Even though the market has been down, we take a look at runes at Magic Eden. We sort this by 1 day volume. You take a look, RUNECOIN has been on top, over 4 Bitcoin, then dog go to the moon and billion-dollar cat. So even though runes have not gone mainstream yet, this is a great sign to see exchanges like MEXC continue to list them. It also gives a lot more exposure to the runes that are listed on here. Makes it a lot easier for people to buy them, right? You don't have to pay fees like you would when you buy them on Magic Eden. You don't have to pay miner fees. So it's easy to acquire this. It's also very easy to withdraw your tokens anytime you want. I simply hover over a wallet and then you click on withdraw, and you could withdraw your RUNECOIN or dog go to the moon or billion-dollar cat to a self-custody Xverse wallet if you wanted to do that. So maybe a strategy is to fund a MEXC account with a set amount of USDT and actively trade that, and maybe have a amount to reach goal. When and if your profits exceed that amount to reach goal, you can then take out the profits and continue to actively trade without fees in MEXC. So hopefully this was helpful. I just wanted to get a video out on this because I think this is a significant thing. We've seen billion-dollar cat, we've seen dog go to the moon, we've seen Lobo the wolf pup, and now RSIC GENESIS RUNE, RUNECOIN, spot listings on MEXC. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.